Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm your trader next door, Abhilash. And in this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of EURJPY, Euro Japanese Yen for 23rd March 2021. So this analysis is for 23rd March only. You will be seeing me tomorrow again with the analysis for 24th March. And please do subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. And as you can see on the screen, my 5 days workshop is coming up on 2nd April. I have started this channel recently, almost 3 weeks only. But many have approached and shown their interest in learning. Okay, therefore, if you want to learn about chart patterns, support and resistance indicators, how does market work, the market psychology, the tug of war between the bulls and the bears, then you can also sign up for the workshop if you want to become a professional trader and you want to trade like a pro. Okay, so so Euro Japanese yen. It was in beautiful uptrend. Okay, it was a beautiful uptrend taking support at the 50 moving average till last week. Okay, till last week it was in clean uptrend and it was very easy for us to trade on Euro Japanese yen. But you can see that things have changed now. Okay, the 50 moving average, which was a beautifully providing support to the pair, is no more a support right now. We can see that on Friday, okay, it broke the support, okay, and today just look at the opening here. Okay, it opened gap down here, okay, but after that it made a big green candle, okay, and now again a big candle, okay. So the picture is not clear right now. Okay, it seems like the market is trying to go up and regain its position above the 50 moving average. Okay, therefore we need to wait. Okay, we need to wait and watch the market because 50 moving average was providing excellent support to the market. Okay, you can see here. You can also backtest the data. Okay, you can see that it was providing excellent support to the market. So I also mentioned on Friday that there is a high chance that market may try to regain its position on the 50 moving average. So let's wait and watch. Okay, so because right now we cannot be too sure that yes, yeah, 50 moving average will be back as the support and market will resume its uptrend. Therefore, as we cannot tell anything right now, okay, any trade in this position will be very risky. Shorting the market is not on the tables because market was in uptrend. If we short the market here, it will be going against the trend. That's why we are not looking for the shorting opportunities. And if market crosses the 50 moving average, okay, and takes support, then yes, we can think of buying again. But as of now, we need to watch the market because it is a hard-earned money. We do not gamble our hard-earned money. Okay. Therefore, we need to analyze properly. We need to be disciplined. Okay. Therefore, we can see that in the resistance and support, I have not mentioned anything because as of now, we just need to wait and watch. We just need to wait and watch and observe the market. Okay. So if something happens, okay, if market gives us a clear picture by tomorrow, then obviously I'll be coming back tomorrow again. Okay, then I'll share what you need to do and what you need not do. Okay, I'll tell you where to buy and where to exit. But as of now, you should not do anything. Okay, just wait and watch. Okay, because because though market was an uptrend, but right now market is trading below the support. Okay, so if we execute the trade right now, it will be going against the discipline. So and that is not a good decision. Okay, so this is the simple analysis and my opinion on Euro Japanese Yen for 23rd March 2021. Hopefully you have understood, and if you have liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. See ya on see ya tomorrow. Bye bye.